Hello, my name is Fabian Williams and I am the Director of the Intelligent Process Automation Practice at Witham. I am a Microsoft MVP in the categories of Developer Technologies and also Microsoft Azure, and I was fortunate to be renewed this year for the 7th time in a row. Now, what I'd like to talk to you about today is one of my blog posts, a 3-part series, was released today. It covers Microsoft Business Process Automation with the Softmotive acquisition. Now, what I wanted to do here is unpack this a little bit for people. Is this an industry shakeup in business process automation, or is it going to stabilize the market? What does Microsoft's future look like now with this acquisition? And is this going to be a democratization of process automation for all of us? Now, the reason why I unpacked it these three different ways is because Microsoft, by making this acquisition, is really making a bold move. And this is something that we've seen coming, or we should have seen coming. First of all, they rebranded Microsoft Flow recently, or recently as much as last year, I should say. And they also put UI flows into the mix by providing us, that last mile, if you will, of what digital process automation is. So Flow, as you know, is a way to automate activities, through scripting. Our UI Flow allows you to basically record a browser or an application on a computer and have that played back. Consider it almost like macros on steroids. Now, Microsoft's Softmotive acquisition gives them a couple different things that basically leapfrogs where they are right now, and by bundling that into the process automation area of Power Automate, they're basically going to take that to the next level and be really comparative with people like UiPath, Nintex, and also Automation Anywhere, just to name a few, Blue Prism. Now, Microsoft itself, has an Office suite of products, and that Office suite of products is typically what these other vendors were, using RPA against. Now, the fact that Microsoft is playing in this field and also owns this, and also has the Microsoft Graph and it has a search substrate, is going to be really impactful, because you can expect to see a lot of machine learning and artificial intelligence come into play in this acquisition and also inside these offerings. Now, also, the Softmotive has a software component to it as well that allows traditional developers to build against it. And because Microsoft also owns Visual Studio, I would expect to see some type of template being brought in there that allows us to start to code RPA into Visual Studio and make richer solutions. So as we go through these 3-part series, I hope you enjoyed. The first one is out today. I would expect the second and the third to come out sometime next week. Thank you, and of course, give me some feedback.